Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on designing a Wix chat box. So in this video, I will be guiding you through the process of creating a custom chat box for your Wix.com. For that, first thing first, what you need to do is access to your Wix dashboard. For that, you need to go to your Wix.com. There you need to log in or sign up using a password, using an email account, or you can also use your Google account. After that, it is going to direct you to your dashboard or to your home screen. Now, you have to create a website in order to add the Wix chat box. So for that, you need to go to Chatbox element. Now, if you are an old user and you already know how to create a website on Wix.com, it would be quite easy for you to completely, create a new website and add what I'm asking for, like the Wix chat box. But if you are a newbie and you don't know how to create a new site, then we are going to start from the scratch. So let's just go click on create new site. Here you will be asked what you want. I'm going to click on set up without chat. Now they're going to ask you some simple questions that you have to answer in order to help them get an idea that what type of template you're looking for. So what type of website do you want to create? You can also answer these questions, but I'm simply going to skip these. Then it is going to prepare a dashboard for me. Here, now it's going to ask me some simple questions like, what would you like to call your website? Let's just say I'm going to skip these questions, but you can also answer these. What are your goals for this site? It will help us match you with tools and features to fit your need. So you can click on sell products, collect leads, share knowledge, build a community, display creative work, offer services, to promote a business, promote myself, or just explore. So I'm going to skip these questions as well. Now choose the apps you would like to add. If it is an online store, bookings, or events. You can also skip these, or you can choose. Since this video is just for the sake of the video, so I'm not choosing these and completely skipping this part in steps. So yeah, now you are going to go, since it has directed you to your dashboard, you can go to design site. You can choose any one of these templates. I'm going to choose, okay, so you could use any one of these templates. This was by mistake. You can choose generate a design with AI, but I'm not using it because it is much of a labor about. So I'm simply going to go pick a template. But if you are looking for something that you're looking for a new idea of your own, then you can simply go click in as well. So let's just say I am looking for this one. I'm going to click on it. Okay, so I'm going to go click on this side. You see there are only a few steps by which you'll be able to add it. Now we are going to customize the chat box by changing the background color, text color, change font. You can also add a profile picture or logo to the chat box once you add it. You can also add chat box to the website as I am entering it. You can also use the method of dragging and dropping it onto the page. You can position the chat fold or the box in the footer or to the sidebar. But I am simply opening it directly into the website. What you can do is go to your apps option on the home screen, and you can do that there as well. Go to add apps. Here you can type here Wix chat. You see this option, you're going to click on this one. This is Wix chat. You can click on add to site if it is already installed, but if it is not, then you're simply going to go install it. Add Wix chat. This is the Wix chat that is installed. Now you can simply use the drag and drop method to simply drag it and drop it to the footer. Or what you can do is that it is fixed to the screen whether you scroll this website up or down. Now you can go to the settings. You can change the display or to the main. let's just change the display, that whether you want it to be on the bottom left, you can change the design. You can put the logo here of your own. You can click on minimize chat. You can use the background messages, header or border, or you can use the text messages here, like we'll reply as soon as we can, we'll reply within a few minutes, we'll reply within a few hours, or we will reply within a day. You can also change the chat forms, automations, channels, support, or mainly most of the people using here are these features that are present in the settings. Or you can also open this inbox to see the chats here, all the conversations that have been done. But if there's no conversation, obviously this is going to be empty. So you can use these, or what you can do is you can go to the settings. Let's just say I want to change the design. You can change the logo by uploading it. I'm a bit curious about this, that how does this logo is going to work. If you have any file, it's going to appear over here, but if you don't have any, you can search here. Let's just say I type here passion. It is going to show you some media. Let's just say I'm choosing this one. I'm going to add this to the page as my logo. This is how it's going to show me my logo. You can also preview it by going and clicking on preview. This is how your logo or your chat box is going to appear. People are going to click on it, and here you see this is how it's going to show you. But if you're looking for the mobile mode, this is the mobile mode. You can switch to the mobile mode as well to check out how your screen is going to appear. You see, this is the chat box. Head to your live publish. Okay, so this is how you're going to add the Wix chat box to your screen. Here you see open inbox, and this is how it's going to open my inbox and use any one of these features to show. Let's just say you can set up the inbox by using all these things. So this is how you're going to use the Let's Chat option or Wix chat box. That was very easy. You have successfully designed the Wix chat box that can help you connect with your website visitors. With the custom chat box, you can provide better customer support and improve your experience on your website. So this was the brief video, and I have shown you guys how you can quickly add the chat box to your website. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.